Welcome to Fox Tech. Today I'm going to show you how to get more clock faces for your Apple Watch. If you feel like you don't have enough watch faces on your Apple Watch and would like to add new ones, there are several steps you can take and a few things you should know. First, make sure you have scrolled through all the watch faces already available on your Apple Watch. Hold down on the current watch face to enter edit mode, then swipe left or right to scroll through the faces. Keep in mind that there is a limit of 30 watch faces that can be swiped through and accessed directly on the watch. To add more watch faces, grab the iPhone paired with your Apple Watch and open the Watch app. In the Watch app, you can manage all the watch faces available and add those you like to your Apple Watch. This is a simple way to expand your collection of watch faces and personalize your watch to better suit your style and needs. However, if you want to go beyond the default options and add even more watch faces, this is where it gets a bit tricky. Unfortunately, Apple doesn't offer much in terms of adding custom faces beyond what is provided. You might have seen ads on social media about custom watch faces. These ads usually promote apps that you can download and install. While these apps can display time in new and interesting ways, they are not permanent solutions. The custom faces only work when you're inside their app and cannot be set as the default watch face on your Apple Watch. Besides the default options, you can also turn images and live photos from your iPhone gallery into watch faces. Although it's somewhat limited, you can generally turn any photo into a watch face by clicking on the share icon in the gallery and then selecting the watch face icon. This allows you to personalize your watch with photos of loved ones, favorite places, or any other image you like. And that's basically it. While the options for adding more watch faces are somewhat limited, using the Watch app on your iPhone to manage and add faces and turning your photos into watch faces can help you get the most out of your Apple Watch. Thank you for watching this video on Fox Tech. If you found this guide helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. See you guys later.